was with one of my mentors. In fact, he's even the chairman of our board of advisors. He has been in fish farming for over 12 years. Yes, so he has a lot of experience we could tap from. And since he's my mentor, there was a day I was with him. Then I received a call from a stranger. The person was inquiring about fish farming, but I gave him detailed information he needs to know to successful in fish farming. And when I finished the call, my mentor told me, "Hey, Abdulaziz, the way you are doing your business, you can get money. You have given the person information, almost everything that he needs to know. So, which literally he can even start his farm without contacting you again. So when someone calls, try to hire certain things from him so that through the business he can be able to contact you. Then you make your money." I appreciate his advice and I like it so much. But this is what we have been doing since. Often, like this channel, we give free education. Of course, per his advice, there are certain things that we are not able to just give it out freely like that. But a lot of information that can help us grow our fish, we do it freely. And in fact, on top of it, sometimes we even do free consultancy. For instance, someone can contact us, we can visit the person farm, check out his things, do recommendation free of charge, with things that we could have charged. And believe me, directly or indirectly, this is the way we make our money. For instance, right now we are in Sikakopi, very far away. It took us 24 hours to get there. It is the free education that we give that people watch our channel like this one and they contact us to do business. Without this free service or free education, we wouldn't get that opportunity. But in this video, I'm even going to reveal something shocking and interesting for you. One day, we had a colleague who contacted us. He's a Ghanaian but living in Italy. He has his fish farm in Tamale, caretakers. He watched a couple of our videos. He contacted us. He wanted us to pay visit to his farm, check it out, and then give him recommendations as he was at Italy. We went there free of charge. In fact, we didn't even take fuel. And believe me, if we were to even charge him, we wouldn't even charge him more than 200 Ghana cedis to buy fuel. Just fuel alone, anyway. But after visiting his farm, give him recommendations, and we had a lot of talks. We revealed to him that we didn't have test kit because he wanted us to do test kit. And because of that, he just had this for us. Now, he sent us money to buy this test kit. A big shout out to Brother Ishao in Italy, and he's a Ghanaian in the diaspora. Now, this test kit costs a couple of cedis. We ordered this online. Even though it delayed, but finally it is here, and we are using it. We thank you so much, Brother Ishao. Shout out to you, and we appreciate that. And we welcome more of this. In fact, he did this just to appreciate what we are doing for all of you as fish farmers. Like I said, we just been to his farm once, and we wouldn't even charge more than 200 cedis. But this, I will not mention the amount he has given, but in fact, he has given us more than we would have charged him for. Anyway, if you also want to give us something, it's highly welcome, because there's a saying that the right hand washes the left hand and the left hand washes the right hand. If you want to continue to get free gifts, why not support us? And possibly, if you don't know exactly what to support us, we need a nice camera. Till now, we still shoot our videos with phone. So if you get a better quality camera and microphone, it's going to help a lot. And we are going to get you quality videos to teach you and others. You can equally help us. And we thank you so much for watching, and we will continue to do our best, because the main purpose of this channel is to help fish farmers grow their fish. And in fact, we are doing that the best of our ability. And now, if you want to learn free training on how to begin your fish farm from beginning to end without stress, we have a 4-hour video which is free of charge. We just upload it. Check it out on the end screen. Watch that video, and you'll get virtually almost everything that you need to know to be successful in your fish farming, even if you don't have or if you have zero experience in fish farming. Check it out on the end screen. My name is Abdulaziz Isa. All on this channel to share fish farming tips based on experience and research. I have a bachelor degree. I'm a fish farmer, and we train fish farmers to be successful. Thank you. See you in that video. Bye.